everyone, it's Jennifer, and I'm back with my St. Patrick's Day Stitch Marker Advent. So let's take a look. Alright, I think today is day 11. So 16, 12, 14, 15. Yep, it is day 11. And that's the sticker. It's not coming in very clear. Oops. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, this is pretty. Make sure it's laying. Make sure it's laying right. Nope, it's not. There it is. And this one is for day 11. As you can, there it is. There's day 11. How pretty is that? Alright. Let's add that to our set. I have to find where I'm putting it on here. Here we go. And so far, I've gotten all these. And I'm starting on the other side with these ones, and they're turning around backwards. Alright, so that was day 11. Stay tuned for day 12. Yes, stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.